Right, okay. This is our local Tienbridge District Council patching roads. They've left bits of tar all over the fucking place. And they didn't even clean out the holes first. This is just freshly done. They didn't even clear the hole out, they just threw it on top of the loose gravel that's underneath it. They've not even picked up the loose gravel. There's all loose gravel around it. It's all loose gravel. Fucking hell. Well, you wouldn't have believed that, would you? I'm not joking, that is all loose gravel, look. Look. It's not even tar, look. My finger, it's gone down past the first knuckle. Oh my God, what is this bloody world coming to? Why do we pay our road taxes? Fuck it. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Oh dearie me. Yep. They've thrown it down on gravel. Oh gee whiz. Oh wow. What a absolute mess. Let's let the car go first. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear. Let's see what's down the back of it. Let's see how deep that goes. Okay. Are you telling me that they have any idea what the hell they're supposed to be doing? Wow. I'd have been better off to plant bloody flowers in it. It would have been stronger. That's going to be a couple of days. Oh my goodness me. And that's the council patching roads. Tienbridge District Stupid Council. Wow. What do you suggest and what do you say? Like I said, all that in the middle there is gravel. That's just gravel. That is just all gravel in the middle there. I can dig it all out, look. Look. Look, that's gravel. Look. That's all gravel and dirt. You couldn't even dig it out. What lazy, useless twits. Wow. Oh fudge. Well, there you go. British workmanship at its best. God, I'm glad I'm getting old. I only got to put up with this crap for another 20 or 30 years and I'm gone. But my God, what lazy people we have in this world today. Well, there you go. Roadworks. There you go, look. Would it have killed them to have done the job properly? Oh dear, dear, dear. Well, I can guarantee that's not going to last much more than a couple of days, couple of weeks. Right, well, I suppose I better send a copy of this to the council to say you are absolutely a joke. Maybe the government too. Never mind. Okay, 4 minutes. Oh dear. It's unbelievable. This is supposed to be Great Britain. Starting to become a great waste of time. My God. The roads are better in every other country than here by the looks of it.